Let me show you how to get to the MoGraph. You want to go into your window menu and head down to Essential Graphics. Up top, we have two tabs, Browse and Edit. In Edit, you'll find options once you have selected a MoGraph. Let's head back to Browse. You have My Templates, Adobe Stock Templates, the search field here, and a Favorites filter here. And you can further filter your results by checking these boxes here. You can right-click one of these thumbnails to delete, rename, copy to library. You can get more information with this info button. And you can also go ahead and set as favorite by clicking the star and filter down to just your favorites. You can use a slider to adjust your previews and this button to import MoGraphs manually. Let's go ahead and drag this motion graphic in. Select it up, move your mouse around. Here you will see a few different options. We have source text, so you can modify the text, change the color of certain elements, disable and enable, as well as modifying layer properties. There's also a spreadsheet option here that you could put in. Look in the description if you want to learn more about spreadsheets.